first of all, I was also confused. Like is this enough for the exam? So like I was I do I study like other materials or not? I was just thinking, but like as I said, like I didn't have that much time, so I said like no, don't worry about this. Just ma'am was saying, Sarah was saying like just focus on the syllabus. Just I just did that. I just focus on the lecture and focus all the like materials and mock test. That's it. I didn't try to focus like other materials or everything like ChatGPT. Like I didn't focus anything. Just only focus what elite expertise was covering in classes, and that's it.
Hi everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I am Ashutosh, and today I'm joined with one of our successful OPRA candidate who recently cleared his March 2026 examination on his very first attempt, Himu Khan. So Himu, welcome.
Thank you.
So Himu, how are you feeling? Like you just cleared your OPRA examination, and what are your plans? And tell our viewers about where you belong to, what did you study, and how you got to know about this OPRA exam.
Okay. So to be honest, it's amazing. Like when I saw the result, like it's unbelievable the moments. So I heard the elite expertise a very long time ago before moving to Australia when I was in Bangladesh. But like that time, like I was planning to join, but like I was not sure. So then in 2024, I moved Australia, and like the tuition fee is very high, so managing time and study is very hard for me. So like I was trying to be a little bit stable, and like for my job, I took some annual leaves and I joined elite expertise and I started studying. So basically, the thing is, everything was very smooth. Like the ma'am, Harika ma'am, and Arief sir, they are amazing, both of them. So first, Harika ma'am was saying like, listen to a lecture, see what we are advising, just follow them blindly. You're gonna pass it. Like I was like listening all the lectures a bit as I'm do two jobs, so it was hard for me to join the lecture every day. So I just saw the recorded lecture during the weekends. So before, you can say like I had that's only 1.5 months of preparation for the exam, barely, because I didn't have that much of time for for preparation. So like I was just trying to follow their advice, their lectures, and their lecture materials and do the mock tests. And like it was very smooth. Like the exam hall, when I went there, like it was feel like they made the questions. It was like them like 30 minutes before the time I finished the exam, and I was just doing the revision and then submit it. Like it was like I'm doing the mock test at home. It just feels simple there. So like just amazing the moments. And I will say everyone, like whoever planning to join it at expertise, I will advise them to join there. And also I suggest all my friends, everyone, like if you want to pass the opera, just join there and don't worry about anything. Just follow what they're saying, you're gonna pass it. So it is like this, like follow their lectures, follow their guidelines, and do the mock test. That's it. You don't need to worry about more. I think 2 and 3 months is more than enough for the preparation. Like I for me, like mostly 1.5 months of preparation I took. I was serious. Just the revision classes, the last 1 month class, it was the best. Like the revision class is the best. Just follow the revision class 1 or 2 times. That's it.
So Himu, very nice of you. You have explained that Harika ma'am and Arif sir's lectures are enough to prepare, and you also said that you prepared in within just 1.5 month, right? So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are
yeah.
almost the third candidate whom I'm interviewing, and they are saying that I have prepared in less than 1.5 month, and that too with the help of sir and ma'am's lecture. So I would like to know what is your teaching methodology that has found you so interesting that students like you, candidates like you, are able to prepare and grasp all this vast information during your preparation. What is their teaching methodology like?
Okay. So basically, the lecture, every day's lecture, you just heard the lecture every day, and if possible, uh, just show the recorded lecture 2 3 times if possible. And if you can take notes, is the best option before, because if you take note before the exam, you can go for revision easily. But I didn't have time to take the notes. I just watched the lecture mostly 1 or 2 times, not more than that, because I didn't have that much of time. I just mainly focus on the revision classes. If you have, I will say, if you have like basic knowledge about all the topics, and if you follow the revision lecture properly, I think that's enough. The revision lecture is, I think, that's the best thing. And I will say, like, Arief sir, he's the boss. Like his class, Harika ma'am is also good, but Arief sir, like, he's the boss. His class, like man, I mean, like a magic man. He goes so deep in every topics, and it's the best I think, best teacher I have ever seen. Like I will like say Arief sir is the best man.
Okay, Himu, as you mentioned that the concepts were so easy to understand that you were enjoying your classes, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
how
yeah.
you found the syllabus? When we talk about therapeutics, calculations, what was your reaction when you first got to know that this is the syllabus that I'm going to prepare for, and how that syllabus went into your conceptual understanding during your preparation with elite expertise?
So basically, like the syllabus guideline, like when we start the classes, like first 1 or 2 classes, they are ma'am already give the syllabus properly, how you're gonna take the preparation and everything. But to be honest, I didn't focus on syllabus that much. I just focus on the classes, like what everyday class is going on. I just focus on the classes, and I just did the mock test, that's it. I didn't focus on the syllabus that much. So that's just on the classes. Every day they are teaching us, and I did the mock test, and I think that's more than enough. Don't worry about the syllabus that much, just focus the class, I will say.
So, Himu, you are saying that you need not to focus or worry about syllabus when you are preparing
Yeah,
with elite expertise. Sir and ma'am make
yeah,
it easy to understand, right?
yeah. It's sir and ma'am, I think it's they are like covering everything. I think every single topics they are covering in every classes. So I think that's more than enough to crack the opera.
Yeah, the reason I asked this question because most of the candidates, when we do our research, found that most of the candidates only search about study material and syllabus. So, how you found the elite study material different from the syllabus, and how that compares to, like, what's the difference?
Okay. So first of all, I was also confused. I like, is this enough for the exam? Like I was I do I study like other materials or not? I was just thinking, but like as I said, like I didn't have that much time, so I said like, no, don't worry about this. Just ma'am was saying, Sir was saying, like, just focus on the syllabus. Just I just did that. I just focus on the lecture, and focus all the like materials and mock test. That's it. I didn't try to focus like other materials or everything like ChatGPT. Like I didn't focus anything. Just only focus what elite expertise was covering in classes, and that's it.
Okay, thank you, Himu. Thank you for your kind words. Is there any experience during this year, entire OPRA preparation with elite expertise that you would like to share to those viewers who are preparing for OPRA exam, who are hesitant to understand, like who are hesitant to explore other opportunities? What was that experience that made you think, yes, I can clear my OPRA examination?
So like who is planning for like exam in future, and thinking to join in elite expertise, for them I'll say like as I said earlier, you don't need to worry about anything else. Just if you want thinking to join here, just join without thinking blindly. Just blindly join there, and just focus what ma'am and sir saying in every classes. Just focus on them. And if you want to take notes, if you have time, just I will say take notes in every lecture, and do the mock test, especially do the mock test every day. All the mock tests they have, just do all the mock tests. And I think you don't need to worry. Just wait for the exam. That's it. You're gonna pass it, I think, easily. That's what
Okay,
I'll
Himu.
say to everyone.
Yeah, very nicely explained that all a candidate needs to do is just trust the process and go with the
Yeah,
lectures and, if
yeah,
possible, take some notes from the lectures, right? So,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I have to ask you to summarize your experience with these a few names in one word, then what that one word would be? So, first name is elite expertise. You have to summarize your
Yeah.
experience in one word.
I think they're best. That's it. I'll say.
Okay, the next one is Arif sir.
I've sir, I what I will say, like the great teacher I have ever seen, like in my life, Arif sir.
And now Harika ma'am.
Harika ma'am, what else? Harika ma'am is like he make everything so easy, so simple. She makes everything so easy, so simple as she can. She make every topics like this. So Harika ma'am is also like a very very good teacher.
And now finally, elite expertise team.
The team is very helpful. I will say, like when I had any issues about the apps or anything, I just text in the group, instantly I got support from them. Like the support team is very very like helpful.
Thank you, Himu. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you for your appreciation. And we wish you all the very best for your all future exams. And we also wish to assist you further in your interns exam as well, because as you mentioned, you are still in Australia, right? So you must be
Yeah,
searching
yeah,
for
yeah.
your internships and all.
Yeah, sure. I'm just planning for the PT now. I'm preparing myself for PT, and hopefully I will give the PT within 1 or 2 weeks, and after that
Okay.
I will start internship.
So no worries, because you might be aware that elite expertise also trains for PT exams, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you find any difficulty, then you can anyways connect with elite expertise with your old mentors. They will definitely guide you further for your better exam guidance. Thank you, Himu. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for joining us for this conversation. And for our viewers who are watching us on YouTube, I must tell them, if you have found this video informational, you can like this video, share this video, subscribe to Elite Expertise. And if you're interested to know how Elite Expertise trains their intern pharmacists, how they get successful, you can watch this video on the screen. Thank you so much, Himu. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your for joining this conversation.
Thank you very much.